Hey guys, it's Joe with JoeCapone.com and welcome back to my channel. Hey, I found another freebie for you guys. This one's for all the people who either don't like to be in videos or don't want to show their face in videos. And what this software does is it generates video clips from text that you import into the system. It could add your voice if you want to use your voice. It has computer generated voices and some with different accents. There's Australian, New Zealand. It's pretty cool. It has about 100 different musical selections that you can choose from. So, you know, it's all built in, one-stop shop. So take a look, check it out. Let me know either way, if you like it, you don't like it. Like I said, it's free for 7 days, and then then obviously it's a paid service, but you could generate as many videos as you want in those 7 days. So what I would suggest is create as many videos as you can in 7 days. And if you like it, which I think you will, because I did buy it because I see a lot of applications for this. So I left a link in the description. Leave me comments, what you thought about it, all right? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Here is a sample of what the software can create. Are you one of those people who want to create a lot of videos for your YouTube channel, but you don't like being in videos? Or can't seem to find the time to make them? Or maybe hates the sound of your own voice? Now there is a new way to create fast and simple professional videos. The best part is, you can do it all in under 30 minutes. No joke. The videos are easy to create. And are actually fun to make. The first time I posted a video with it, I got a ton of likes. And lots of subscribers. So what if you could create 10, 20, or 30 videos in one day? You could grow your channel super fast. If you're brand new to video and don't want to show your face, this product really is a game changer. The best part is, you can try it out for free with no obligation. Yes, free, for an entire week. How many free videos can you create in a week? 50? 100? Your videos would be done for the year. Click the link in the description below to get your free 7-day trial, while it is still available. If you found this is helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you want more free trial products, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions on getting started, just leave them below. Thanks for watching. Joe.